All right, so this is the session. It is the basically horizontal scaling of skills. I'm sure some of you at least must have been wondering, what is this horizontal scaling? Most of the time, we all keep hearing about the vertical scaling, but you will know what is horizontal scaling in this session. I'm sure you will walk away with some insights into horizontal scaling of skills. Okay, so with that, I will also let me go through what is this KITE. KI8 is pronounced as KITE. It's basically meant for knowledge in transition and enablement. This is Rajesh and myself initiative. We have started this very recently, and it is still in the infant stage. And this is basically focusing on the knowledge industry, where what we focus is look at the niche knowledge across the industry and evangelize. So and then network with the leaders across the industry and get that knowledge through the networking and in the form of event that we are having today. Okay, this is what is our simple motto, wherein we want to make sure we get the knowledge and we keep, for example, last month we did adversity quotient. In the current scenario, adversity is one of the key thing. So that we got a good response for the adversity quotient, and that is where we thought, let's figure out, what could be the next session. Then we came out with horizontal scaling of skills. Okay, so basically our focus is primarily to share the knowledge from the people who have it and to people who needs it. Okay, at least create an awareness, and as a next step we will see how we can even enable even more on a day-to-day basis. That is what we are heading towards, and of course we definitely need your support on an ongoing basis, and we will be conducting sessions like this. Okay, with that I will come to what is an horizontal scaling of skills. Okay, if you look at it, when people have one skill, that is the first one, I. It is the specialization. And when people have multiple skills with a core area where they implement in one core area, it is nothing but a T. That is a horizontal scaling. Let me explain this with an example of Swiss knife. Okay, I'm sure all of you have seen the Swiss knife in our banner. It is a purposefully picked up thanks to Rajesh, his creativity. If you compare Swiss knife with a normal knife, you would know the difference between I and a T. If you look at an I or a knife, a normal knife, it can be used for cutting any one different things with only one set of cutting. But if you compare the same thing with a Swiss knife is not just alone a knife. It also has a multiple utilities, as all of you know for sure. It can be used as a scissor, it can be used as a cutting plier, it can also be used as a hacksaw, right? And it can also open a wine bottle cap and things like that. It has many more. It is just a few sample. So if you compare a normal knife versus a Swiss knife, okay, what happens is, no matter how good a knife is, its utilization is always limited for a specific purpose, whereas a Swiss knife can be used for multi-purpose. It need not be used for cutting certain things only, right? So if you compare, a Swiss knife is lot more usable compared to a normal knife. Okay, so this horizontal scaling is on the same concept. If the people have got one specialized skill, they will obviously grow, and it will help them to utilize their skill, but their utilization might become a limitation. Whereas if they develop multiple skills, their utilization, their demand is expected to grow. Okay, of course this is all based on a concept called a polymath. Okay, this is what the people like Steve Jobs or Mark Zuckerberg, Elon Musk are been referred as the polymaths. Okay, so what we want to do in this session is basically give you an awareness through the help of a panel of experts in the form of presentation as well as a panel discussion. Okay, that's what is going to be the focus of this entire session. I am only giving you the conceptualized idea, because the panel is going to discuss more the nitty-gritties of this horizontal scaling of scales.